Thank you very much. It's a real pleasure to be here in Hamburg, and a special pleasure to be able to play with such fantastic musicians and sing the Funk Brothers and indeed all the musicians on stage. And it's a real pleasure and a real honor for me.